and now it's the moment through. Will these holes here match the holes we just drilled here?
始めたらね、時間がかかるんですよ、またこれが。
It's time to try it out. Opening in 3, 2, 1. Good morning, people. We are super excited today because we're getting our bikes ready to depart across Japan. Kaito is now doing some maintenance on his bike, and I'm also getting my Clubman ready. As you can see, something looking different. We have a brand new headlight and I have a new windshield. Last time we got these babies out was last year in October, I think. It was about 6 months ago already, and we haven't ridden them ever since. So, Kaito, what are you doing now?
No, I'm cleaning the carburetor because I haven't done it since I got this bike from my father. あと、マフラー、これ液パイにテープを、バンテージテープを巻くのと、and I changed the tire as well because it's already flat, and engine oil. たくさんやることあります。
There is an upgrade I've been wanting to do to my bike for so long, and it involves this right here. Kabu no raku desu.
Super kabu.
Yeah, so I want to add a rack for my Clubman because I don't have any space to attach my bag. Honestly, it's always been a problem, you know, the bag sliding side to side, so it's time to fix it. This is what I'm planning on doing. I'm gonna leave only this front seat for my bike, and I have this whole space here to build the rack. So I gotta cover this with something. I've got this stainless steel plate, which I'm planning to use as a base here, where I'm gonna drill some holes and attach the final rack. So this has to go like this somehow, and on top of this I'm gonna put the rack. I'm kind of laughing at myself now, and you will too as soon as you see this. I managed to cover the cables here with a C-plug bag. It's not the prettiest thing, but it gets the job done.
すげえ汚ね。もう10年以上全く触ってないですからね、ここの部分に関しては。中どうなんでしょ
う。Opening in 3, 2, 1.
うわ。
開けないね。
あれ？できたできた。
Oh, it's super clean.
超綺麗じゃん。すごいね。
Maybe you didn't have to open it.
まあたまにはね、こうやって開けて綺麗にしてあげないといけないんですよ。
楽しいだからね。
楽しいからどうしても開けたくなるんですよ。
I'm about to stick these knee pads onto my tank. You can see there's kind of a scratch here. Ever since we got it, it was like this, and I want to cover it up just to give it a new look with these tank pads. Right here, ne?
Mm-hmm.
何？大丈夫？うわ、かっこいいね。I was keeping this for the day I changed the color of the tank, but probably that day is never gonna come. I don't know. So I'm happy I'm using them now. Well, this time it's taking us a lot of time to finish what we have planned, you know, the maintenance, the upgrades. The reason is we started doing things that are not really necessary, but that we had always put on hold because there's something more important to do, you know. Like for instance, me painting my tires here. It's really cool, but it's not necessary and it's taking forever. Ori Kaito fixing this, what's this called? The speedometer?
Speedometer ね。
It's not necessary, but he wanted to do it right now.
始めたらね、時間がかかるんですよ、またこれが。
Look, it looks like Kaito's bike is being completely stripped down.
It's almost 8 p.m. and we still walk. Oof. It takes so long.
Good morning, people! We're back at doing some maintenance work for our motorbikes. Today we're gonna start with Kaito's motorbike. We are doing a tire change today. We bought a portable motorcycle stand or lift. I don't know exactly how you call it. The first time we're gonna be using this tool here. We'll see how it goes. I think it's too...
It's too hard.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
おいちゃん頑張って
ありがとう。
おいちゃん頑張ってこの携帯用のスタンドは使い方がいまいちよくわからないのでネットでちゃんと調べて使えるようにします。今はいつも使ってるスタンドを使ってタイヤ交換します。Here we go.
Kaito's been working on this all day long.
ちょっとこのスポークをね綺麗にしちゃったりねピカピカにしたいじゃないですかっていうのをやってたら午前中終わりました。
Just finished building what is going to be the base of my rack. Just installed the part that goes on the back. And now the part that goes the front. Look at that. The base here and this will go right here. So, woo! いいね! I'm super excited to get this done. We just finished drilling the holes onto this plate and now it's the moment on through. Will these holes here match the holes we just drilled here? ちょっと待って、これは大丈夫、大丈夫。多分ちょっと違うね。Wait, no. Maybe it's okay. I gotta put in the screws. I think we have a base for the rack. We had a little bit of problem matching one of the holes here, but I just enlarged that hole and that was it. I'm pretty happy. Now, the next step.
I just cut all these parts. Ooh.
So this is the result after cutting all of these pieces that were coming out of here. It's time to try it out. Go on in. Well, we need to fix it, but it will go something like that. Woo! かっこいいね. Little bit higher, right? Like that. What do you say? Once again, it's dark and we're still here.
It's so hard. It's been a long time that I haven't done this, so I forgot how to do it.
Man, who would have thought this would take this long? I'm almost done. I got a freaking rack, finally! My God, we've been working on this all day long. Yesterday, the day before that. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is gonna be so good for the bag, right? So stable. We actually use door stoppers here in the middle just to balance it. Wow, cool. Okay, can't wait to get the seat done, put my bag on top and test it out. Good morning, people. Today it's the final day of us working on our bikes before we hit the road. Kaito has already started without me. He's actually fixing my motorbike. The handle grip was a little bit loose, so we're getting that done. We need to do an oil change for both of our bikes. What else?
That's all.
I guess that's about it. Yeah, we're almost ready. Let's go. My super guy here is now adding some lubrication oil into my clutch wire. And I'm in charge of telling him when he comes here. That's my job. That's all I can do. Not yet.
Not yet.
Look at him working hard there. Well, it wasn't working, so we had to remove the whole clay bowl. And now I'm using parts cleaner to clean it up. There was a bunch of grease, dirty grease coming out of this side, so that was blocking the way. And after cleaning the whole thing, we're gonna add again the lubricating oil. Look at how dirty that is. Okay. We are finally at the very end. Kaito is removing the oil, the old oil. And I'm gonna do just the same with my motorbike. Got it! My frame is all dirty now. Okay. Oil filter time. Okay. My engine! Almost there.
Easy peasy. I don't know what happened to her. Are you alright?
やばい、このバイク本当に。
What happened?
I mean, I think I know why they did a second generation, then a third generation, until a fifth generation of this motorbike. There's a few suggestions I have for Mr. Honda on how to build these bikes. It's almost impossible to access this drain washer here. But I think I got it. Almost.
やっと終わりました。すべてが終わりました。これで準備は整いました。何が終わったかって、まずホンダ GB250 クラブマンオリのバイク、何を変えたか。ヘッドライト変えました。純正に戻しました。そしてウィンドシールド、オリがかっこいいって言って新しくつけました。ひよこちゃんもつきました。名前は
アポロ。
アポロちゃんですそして、エンジンオイルを交換して、オイルフィルターも交換して、なんと自分でシートも張り替えました。そして新しくラックがつきましたよ。見てください。
The best improvement, yeah. Oh, I'm so excited about having a rack on my bike. This is going to be great.
これはすごい丈夫に作りましたからね。そしてチェーンオイルも塗ったんで、もうこれで完璧に走れます。そして次、僕のバイク。川崎 250TR。こちらのバイク。
なんとですね、僕が去年の10月に事故をして、これがひん曲がったんです。このおかげで助けられたっていう動画を前に見せました。そしてこれをですね、僕らの友達の師匠でもあるサンタさんが直してくれました。元通りに直してくれました。このスピードメーターのゴム関係もちょっと劣化してたんで、変えました。そして、新たに液パイにバンテージを巻いて、エンジンオイルも交換して、チェーンオイルを、つけてですね、これで完璧です。あとグリップも新しくしました。ゴム関係はやっぱりダメになるんで、もう全部交換しました。これでいよいよ出発です、皆さん。この2台のバイクにはそれぞれストーリーがあります。このバイク、これは僕の亡くなった親父から僕が引き継いだ、バイクです。以前動画にしました。こちらのバイク、オリのバイクはなんと、ボロボロだった、全く動かなかった GB を僕らがフルレストアしてここまでにしました。この2台のバイクで次の動画では僕らは日本一周をします。始めます。If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye! GoPro stop recording. GoPro stop recording! GoPro stop recording.